We made green fabric from bamboo. Workers harvest tall stalks from lush plantations, cutting them carefully and loading them onto trucks for industrial fabric production.
We made green fabric from bamboo. Transportation trucks arrive at the factory, carrying fresh bamboo stalks into a modern processing plant. While workers inspect the raw material,
We made green fabric from bamboo. Workers sort bamboo stalks by size and quality. They separate straight premium stalks for textile manufacturing.
we made green fabric from bamboo. Workers feed chopped bamboo into crushing machines. Heavy rollers break the stalks into raw fiber material. We made green fabric from bamboo. Workers supervise chemical-free pulping tanks.
This transforms the bamboo into that thick, natural fiber slurry. This is a clean, sustainable process.
We made green fabric from bamboo. The pulp moves through industrial filtration systems that remove unwanted particles and prepare the bamboo fiber for spinning. We made green fabric from bamboo. Giant refining machines smoothing the bamboo pulp, creating a clean and uniform textile base for fabric production.
The consistency is spot on, 1.5 DTEX and stable.
Confirm.
Tenacity is holding at 3.2 CN DTEX. Good.
This is perfect twist to 650. Monitoring now.
We made green fabric from bamboo shifts to fiber extraction, where fine bamboo cellulose threads are separated from pulp using advanced industrial textile machinery.
We made green fabric from bamboo. Long strands of bamboo fiber move through drying chambers. Warm air removes moisture for the next production stage.
We made green fabric from bamboo. Carding machines comb the bamboo fibers into soft, aligned layers, preparing them for yarn making. We made green fabric from bamboo. Spinning machines twist bamboo fibers into strong, continuous yarn. Factory workers inspect the thread quality closely. We made green fabric from bamboo.
First, we test its strength.
Next, we check its flexibility.
Finally, we measure its thickness. We made green fabric from bamboo moves to dyeing preparation. Here, bamboo yarn is checked for color absorption. This ensures it becomes the signature green fabric. We made green fabric from bamboo. Large dye tanks mix eco-friendly green pigments with bamboo yarn. Under strict industrial quality control.
Temperature is stable at 60 degrees.
Good. The yarn is soaking evenly. Check the texture. It should feel smooth.
It's consistent. Color is uniform.
We made green fabric from bamboo. The yarn is drying on massive industrial racks. Soft wind and warm lights create a cinematic atmosphere. We made green fabric from bamboo. Mechanical looms move rapidly, weaving silky green bamboo threads into wide sheets of soft fabric. Let's check the weave density.
Looks uniform. No major flaws.
Good. Now test the alignment. Edges are perfect, no puckering.
Excellent.
Raglan's next stage.
We test the bamboo fabric for softness and durability.
First, we stretch it to check its strength.
Then we fold it to test durability.
And finally, we rub it for smoothness. We made green fabric from bamboo. Our machines press and smooth it into a polished premium fabric. We made green fabric from bamboo. It rolls onto giant industrial spools in a high-tech factory. We made green fabric from bamboo. Automatic cutting machines slice the finished cloth into standardized textile panels for garments and home products. We made green fabric from bamboo. Workers stack completed fabric rolls in neat warehouse rows. Inside a huge textile storage facility, we made green fabric from bamboo. Reveals packaging machines wrapping green bamboo fabric rolls in protective material for shipment and export. We made green fabric from bamboo. Here, forklifts move packed rolls across the clean warehouse floor, delivering sustainable materials to shipping containers. Okay, labeling this box for green bamboo fabric.
Got it. I'll add the fabric type.
And export info. This is going to the EU.
Great. Scanning the barcode. All set.
We made green fabric from bamboo. These sealed containers are ready for domestic and international transport. Loaded onto trucks, our sustainable fabric reaches global markets. We made green fabric from bamboo. On the left, raw bamboo enters the plant. It moves through our industrial machinery and is transformed into finished green fabric. We've made green fabric from bamboo. Let's review the data.
Bamboo input is high and stable.
And yarn output is efficient. Quality is excellent. This is great progress.
The fabric feels great too. The color is uniform, no visible flaws.
Agreed. The texture is smooth and consistent.
This batch is approved.
We begin in the fields harvesting sustainable bamboo stalks. The stalks are processed into pulp, then spun into eco-friendly fibers. These fibers are woven into green fabric rolls ready for global use. A journey from nature to innovation.